This may be the turning point of my whole business career. And you're going to see me go against the fucking curriculum or the general life path that everyone goes through. You know, I made a video in the past talking about the kind of like at the beginning of summer, talking about like doing pump and dumps and how, you know, not looking to scale or hold the store as a brand, kind of just looking for that trending, quick, easy money type thing was kind of the thing I'm doing. Well, now, obviously, if you've been following, it's kind of the opposite. But I say it's a turning point because it has to be. It absolutely has to be. I was always different. I always, for my whole life, have done things differently. Even in a system or curriculum, like school when I was younger, and there was nothing different about going to school. Like even within the system, I always was different. Always stood out somehow. I always had some type of personality. The way that I dressed, the way that I talked. And when I found out when I was doing, you know, joining these communities and kind of following another system that everyone else was doing, I was lacking. I was falling behind. I wasn't. When I follow a given curriculum that majority of people are doing, I fall behind. And this is not financial advice, by the way, but for me personally, I just always believe being unique, doing me and doing my own thing of what I truly believe in, I always found it to work out for me. I always found that even though I may get backlash or even though it may slow me down at the start, it always ends up working out. And, you know, obviously, so many people in this space, or so many people in the world, are obviously started to know about what dropshipping is. And a lot of people are doing it now. It's nothing new. Like, I'm even new to this space as well. People have been doing it for over 10 years. But I feel like everyone is kind of not taking it seriously the way that I'm about to now. And again, like it's not a flex or anything. I wouldn't be doing this if I haven't had someone to guide me. But it's a huge turning point because not only did I just finish being in a slump, losing a lot of money from product tests, Q4 is coming up. Technically, I've officially dropped out of school, too. I'm about to tell my parents. They don't know. I'm about to tell them within the next week or two. Like summer, this last few months kind of was like an ease. Like it kind of was a distraction from the actual reality of what's happening. But now that summer's coming to an end, everyone's going back to their school or jobs. Reality's starting to hit that it's like, fuck. The only thing I have is the little money in my bank account. I have no more system, no more rules, no more guidance. I am truly on my own. And I'll prove to God, myself, to you, to the whole world watching, that I thrive in these situations. Don't get me wrong, it's scary. I'm scared shitless. I don't have any sense of direction whatsoever, and that's literally the root cause of anxiety. But I promise you right now that what I'm doing, what I'm working on, what I'm about to do in the next few months will be a fucking inspiration to thousands of people. Again, I talk a lot. I fucking talk a lot on my YouTube videos. But I do it on purpose because I truly, truly know deep down in my fucking head that all these promises, all these predictions are going to come true. This was not fake. This was not fucking luck. This was planned. I had a fucking vision, and I went for it. And I'm going to get it. All these promises that I make now will be fucking clips for me in the future to show everyone, to demonstrate everyone that I deserve to be here. I'm not some guy that was given it. I'm not some guy that got lucky. I was some fucking guy who went against everything. Who went the opposite direction against everything. And not only did I make it out alive, I will thrive. This is a turning point. A huge turning point. Am I ready? Yeah, I was born. I don't think you'll ever be completely 100% ready. But I'll manage. I'll get through it. Fuck, man. Fuck. I'll see you. I'll see you at the fucking top. I promise you that.